Deep in the misty montane forest of Fraser's Hill, a tiny bird tends to its chick. The rufous-browed flycatcher chick waits quietly in the undergrowth. Still too young to fend for itself, it relies entirely on its parents. The more active, the more vocal. They're the first to receive their parents' food. In the nest, the parents work together. Taking turns, they bring food to the chick, each meal a step toward its independence. It's a careful balance, feeding it enough to grow strong, yet preparing it to leave the nest when the time comes. One of the rufous-browed flycatcher chicks has finally fledged, taking its first flight into the world. The chick begins to stretch its wings, flex its legs, small, shaky motions that mark its very first steps. These early movements build strength, laying the foundation for survival beyond the nest. As rain begins to fall, the chick's instincts kick in. Without guidance, it moves to find shelter. The chick begins to learn the skills it needs to survive. Every feeding, every call, every movement is a lesson, ready to face the world on its own.